Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's talk about the post-market analysis first. So here we have the price action of Bank Nifty on a 5-minute time frame. This much starting from here, this candle, it's today's price action. So if you notice, the entire day's price action has almost remained sideways. Okay, so let's see, this is the candle high and this is the candle close. So as you can see here, the candle high is around 45,974 and the low is around 45,635. That's almost 300 and change points of a range in the first candle itself. See, we're talking about this candle, this biggest red candle that we are seeing on the screen right now. So whenever you have such an intense candle as your first candle on any time frame, or or any instrument for that matter, traditionally chances are that it's going to remain within that range. And as you can and see, barely we are out of that range for a couple of candles, and then we have immediately seen those candles are coming into this range. And also one more important thing to notice here is, if you notice the price action from the very than the from the previous days on the left. As you can see, I've already marked this patterns. As you can see here, we have okay, so right here where we have circle, we have a peak, and here we have another peak. So next time when the Bank Nifty crossed it, while coming back, it acted as a good support right here in this zone. As you can see, couple of times it has come into that area, but it has taken support from that area and it has gone all the way high. And as you can see now, the same area, the same zone, okay, this is the swing low zone and this is the swing high zone, both put together. Now this looks like this zone is acting as some sort of resistance for the Bank Nifty. So as you can see, we have already, now let's take off all the drawings from here and now see. Okay, so we have seen a good momentum towards the downside, and some sort of consolidation there, and again we have seen a breakdown towards the downside. Now here we are seeing a consolidation uh, before this support range what we have here, just above this support range. So now if you see a consolidation after a downside moment like this, and then if you see a breakout towards the downside, then you can very well expect that the Bank Nifty is definitely going to see some great fall, and this looks like a next important level for the Bank Nifty. But for any reason, if it's crossing this level, then we have this this price action on the left, which may put some hold for the Bank Nifty. Also, let's now start from a daily chart. So if you have seen our last week's video, our weekly special video, we have discussed, okay, let me pull up the weekly chart here. Yeah, so we have discussed that this range, okay, this gap on a weekly chart is also going to act as an important level for the Bank Nifty. Now that the last week's price action of the Bank Nifty has come out of this level, so let's see. And also this is an inside candle formation, because this candle on a weekly time frame is within the range, within the body range of the previous week's candle. So it was a sign of a reversal signal that's coming at this important location. So that's how the weekly chart was looking. But on a daily chart, if you notice, okay, so this gap, this very gap right here, that very same location is now has seen some sort of a break out of this level. So this green candle of January 31st has seen a breakout, and after that on February 1st we have seen a candle with a higher high, higher low, and a higher closing. So that means that we have seen a confirmation candle, but it's a bit of it's very close to the doji candle, and it's very close to the dragonfly candle also. But after this, it is seeing some sort of resistance at exactly this level. Okay, and yesterday, sorry, the last working day, we have seen Bank Nifty trying to go within this, and because this entire range is a rejection range initially, before a couple of weeks we have seen a rejection from here as well, and we have seen Bank Nifty coming down. But looks like again we have this zone here which is trying to push up the Bank Nifty. But as we have seen the levels on the daily chart, if you see breakout from there, then we can expect that it is, it's going to fall. Okay, but after that, let's also look at it from a different angle. So here we have, okay, so here we have price action forming like this. We have a breakout from this level, and this high level sustained, and from there we have seen a straightaway breakout towards the downside, and then we have seen a pullback, and again we have seen a breakout from there. Okay, and again from here we are seeing a pullback. So we haven't seen a breakout of this level yet on a daily time frame. So if you see a close up of this, then we can say that on a daily time frame it's changing its direction. But unless it's seeing unless you see a breakout from this level, you can't say that it is towards the upper trend. And also the important point is here, okay, this gap, okay, this big gap that you have here in the bank nifty is definitely a problem for the bank nifty, because this gap is now acting as resistance for the bank nifty on a daily time frame. So that is how the bank nifty is looking on charts today. But now let's see how nifty is looking like. So here we have the nifty. So nifty on a daily time frame. So let's see how here we have. Okay, so let me first mark the highs here. Okay, here it has seen a break from this level, so we know that it is no more in a upper trend, and here we have a full pullback. But unless you break this level in the nifty, you can't say that uh, you are towards the upper trend. In fact, here, okay, so in fact here, if you notice the today's price action with the previous day's price action put together, so the previous day itself, in our last weekly special video, we have discussed that this particular candle this particular candle is a rejection candle, and it's also called as shooting star candle, which is a reversal candle that is coming at a very important resistance area at this location. And today, adding to that fact, we have seen a bearish engulfing pattern, which is engulfing the complete a previous working day's real body, which is this much of the green candle. Now this tells us that on a daily candle, according to candlestick patterns, it's looking bearish, and according to our swing analysis, it has not seen a breakout from this level yet, so we cannot say that it is in an uptrend. Excuse me. So on a daily time frame, it's looking a kind of a negative for the nifty. So if nifty has to fall down, then it has to see some sort of support coming from this area. This level is going to act as an important support for the nifty if it's coming down. But in order to take away this negative impression about the moment of nifty, then we need to see uh, a close beyond this level towards this level. Then we can say that it has now changed direction from the downtrend to the uptrend. So until then, we should consider this as only a pullback in the nifty. So that's it, guys. Hope you have learned something from today's video, and hope you have understood something from today's video. See you in our next post market analysis video, that is for tomorrow. Until then, happy trading. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button, because this is where we learn Indian stock markets. This is where we learn technical analysis in a more meaningful manner, with everyday's price action of from the bank nifty and nifty. Thank you.